Hello, welcome back to Sedi's Diary. This is Sedi here. Thank you for watching this video. It's very short and nice, and let's just go right into the story I have for today. A while back, not too long ago, I was tired of rice, beans, pasta, potato. I was tired, and I thought, like, what could I do to incorporate variety into my food, like into the food I was eating? If you can relate with what I'm talking about, please let me know in the comment section. I just got tired of, the norm. And then I remember that last year my friend Rachel gave me this coupon to for chef's plate that I never used. And I'm like, okay, let me see what chef's plate was about. And you guys, that's how I got hooked on chef's plate. And I just thought to share it with you if this is something that you can benefit from. I would also put a link in the description box below where you can also get coupons if you are interested. This food picture you're seeing while I do this voiceover right now are not from Chef's Plate. I just use them as fillers while I give my story. So I went to check out Chef's Plate, and so far it's been amazing. I don't order it every week. I like the flexibility on the platform. I can pause or skip on the weeks I'm not interested, and they just send me the recipe and the ingredients to cook the food. Watch the video and see for yourself.
My initial reaction is, why so big? Kilo little, yeah. But let's unbox this together, shall we? This is serious business. But to begin, shall we begin? Yeah, scan the QR code to download Chef's app. Okay, so these are the things I ordered for this week. Yeah, smashed burgers and spiced potatoes with caramelized onions and smoky sauce. And I believe this is the recipe exactly on how to cook it. So the days I remember when I eventually made this, I'll take the pictures. Creamy beef belly with salted mushrooms. Steps again. Okay, so we have this. I have four packs of meals delivered for the week. Naked turkey burrito bowls, cheesy pork meatball skillets. The Lord is our strength, okay? Okay, which one is this one? Turkey burrito bowls. So the four meals I just showed, these are the packs. Bulb of garlic. So I guess these are so the bottom is the cold side. So the cold side here we have minced turkey. These are ice packs. Oh, this makes so much sense. What's this? Lean ground beef. It's even branded with chef's plates. Interesting. How many grams is this one? 2 to 7 grams. Okay. Oh, I like the idea of the ice packs to keep the things cold, because I was thinking about that. Cheat sheet. What's this? Cooking is made simple. A variety of recipe, blah blah blah. Want to end free food journal referral program. Going on a vacation, I need to skip, no problem. The meal is flexible. Got packs to help you get the most of our experience. Remember to have these basic pantry items in hand: salt, pepper, sugar, eggs, and the likes. Lean ground pork. This is another lean ground beef. Okay. This already looks like it's going to last us over a week. And these are the ice packs. C'est fini. This is the third pack we'll be eating. Apologies, I didn't video the previous two, so I just thought to video this one. This is creamy penny pasta. So let's see what is inside. Sorry, I've emptied the contents of the brown envelope, the big brown envelope. So let's quickly go through the contents. Here we have, what's this? Original cream cheese spread. This is a penny pasta, 170 gram, 1 bell pepper, gravy spice blend, beef stock powder, mushroom, and an onion alongside the beef. So I'll take a picture of the end product. Okay. And we have the lean ground beef we'll be using for the pasta. So let's do this. Okay, what we're having today, the last pack of Chef's Plate naked turkey burrito bowls with cheddar cheese. Okay, the last time we had something with cheese, I didn't put the cheese in the meal, but let's see. I have no idea what this is, but let's see. This is the turkey that came with it. Minced turkey, 250 grams. Yep. So apart from, or rather including the turkey, this is everything that was in the pack. Let's quickly do this. Chili cumin spice blend, tomato sauce, sour cream, jasmine rice, cheddar cheese, onion, tomato, bell pepper. So this is for 2 people, and I'll show you what it looks like in 3, 2, 1. The buns that came with the bread, the burger bun, was the spring mix, potatoes, 1 onion, garlic breadcrumb spice blend, smoky spice blend, mayo, balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, and that's it. And the beef that is not here.